with those bikes up there. I didn't realize I got on the fucking highway, man. Let me pause my Black Sabbath here. Take number 2 on the bagger. Good old Boomer King, as Matt calls it. My camera shit out on me last time I tried to record and only got the first 3 minutes and then shut off on me, so let's hope this is fun. If it's not fun, it is what it is. At least I'm on the highway going the right way still. We'll see if they're about it or not. Maybe they're not performance bagger guys. Could just be out here on a Sunday stroll on a nice Saturday after it's all rained and shit. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, they're just out here strolling. They ain't gonna run it. If they wanted to run it, they would have caught up already. Damn it, there goes my fun. Oh well. Man, that's a lot of stickers. And a lot of ducks. Right now I'm just going to the bank. Not a whole lot of anything going on. Only a state boy up there. They're getting smart. Albeit, if we know they're there, they're probably not quite as smart as they would like to think they are. But they get the tourists that come through, I know that much. They don't get the regulars. The locals, they know what's up. There's a big ass bump coming up. I don't like this bump at all, but we're ready. There it is. The sport bike eats that so much better. California plate, what's up? I'm not after this exit, but the next one, so I might actually have to slow down and get in line here. Yeah, it's looking like I gotta slow down and get in line. Because while I am going a little over the speed limit, I'm not trying to play a formation where it's like a line next to a line. Especially to pass a camper. Especially with the exit literally after this like little on-ramp runway comes out. Or goes away, not comes out, my bad. As long as those bicycles don't decide to jump, we're alright. No, let me turn my Cardo off and just yelled at me. I want to listen to Black Sabbath on the way home after I'm done recording this video, so I would like to not have a dead battery on my Cardo. Hit this fucking ATM, leave the camera rolling, but cut out everything so y'all don't take my bank info. Man, I had a woman on the back of this thing for like a week straight, and this fucking board here likes to flip around and come down all the time and hit me in the back of the leg when I'm doing shit. Kind of pisses me off. Okay, cool. Now we go to the store, and that will complete our adventure for the day. Although I'm probably going to take the long way, because it's a little doom and gloomy out, but it's still a rideable day, so I'd like to take advantage of that. Well, I can. Man, it smells good as fuck over here. Fuck, this bike sounds so good. Like, I know it sounds good on camera for a lot of people. Like, as far as like what y'all hear here. That was two different forms of here, by the way. That was... fucking turning, duh, dipshit. This is very much, I need someone else to record this bike when I do a flyby so y'all can really hear what it sounds like. This thing sounds mean as shit. Fine going down Sherman, but I don't really want to go down Sherman right now. I'd rather go down Lichten, because that'll get me a little bit closer to where I want to go a little bit sooner. My sport bike friends enjoy this bike. My Harley friends enjoy this bike. I enjoy the fuck out of this bike. Please don't talk to me, dude. I don't have money for you. I got rent for my boy, and that's it. Oh, at least it's got food. Blazer, there's like a Buick behind us. Got a Civic with like some, oh, okay, that looked like a 4, but that's just a V in the Vic part. I like having this visor as black as it is, so I can look around. It's like the sunglass effect. Those short shifts right at 3500 sound so good. Neutral, yep. I don't like sitting in neutral at lights, but that's genuinely what the builders recommended, because I've already had to replace a clutch on this and I've only had it out for a few months. Like, or not a whole clutch, but like the way they described it was a throwout bearing went out. Like it literally grenaded and welded my shaft in there together, which is not good. And they said to avoid doing that again. Put it in neutral if you're going to sit at a light for a while. And I say, awesome. I don't know if that was a Honda or like an old Softail. I don't really care either way. I'll wave at everything. I've waved at mopeds. It's hard to tell sometimes, because like during a certain year when the patent expired, everything looked like a fucking Harley Davidson Softail. Like the Honda Shadows, the Yamaha V-Stars, I want to say, almost. I mean, there's differences. You can tell. If you know what you're looking for, you can tell. Like my boy's got a V-Star, and his rear fender is really, really dovetailed and kind of lower to the ground than what a Harley would be. Or you can look at the exhaust and notice it too. If they have a stock exhaust on it, that is. A sports bike. I don't see anything saying no rights on road. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.